Valentine's Day is often about gifts, dates, romantic gestures, but what if this year you make yourself the priority? Self care isn't just about bubble baths and spa days, it's also about how you manage your time, energy, and more importantly, your finances. So, today let's talk about financial self care as an ideal act of self love. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Oninye, and I talk about self development, financial intelligence with a little bit of hair and beauty. So today we are shifting the Valentine focus to you because self-care and money go hand in hand. Self-love is essentially the actions you take to protect and nurture yourself. And one of the biggest way we can show love to ourselves is how we handle our finances. Think about it. If you're constantly stressed on how to make money, struggling to make ends meet, or feeling guilty about your spending habits, that's not self-care, that's self-neglect. Financial self-love is about making choices that support your long-term well-being and not just about instant gratification. Financial security is just as important as our emotional security. Financial stress can cause anxiety and low self-esteem. 5 ways you can invest in yourself this season. First of all, set boundaries with your money. Love yourself enough to say no to impulse spending, financial guilt tripping, and habits that don't serve you. Your money should reflect your values and not external pressures. Number two, create a budget for self care. Include in your budget things that nourish your spirit, mind, and body, such as books, courses, subscription memberships. They don't have to be expensive, but they have to be intentional. Number three, learn and grow financially. Educating yourself about money, how to earn it, and how to make it work for you is a huge act of self love. You can read finance books, you can listen to podcasts, or you can take classes. The point is, the more you know, the better choices you make financially. Number four is to save and invest. Putting money aside is proof that you care about your long term happiness. Saving and investing is like hiding little treasures for your future self to find when needed. Number five is to reward yourself responsibly. Self love is not just about deprivation, but about balance. When you hit your goal, ensure that you treat yourself with rewards that align with your financial goals and not reward that will hurt your goals and take you back to square one. So here's a challenge for you this Valentine. Pick one way in which you show yourself financial love this week. Maybe you need to invest in a side hustle. Maybe you need to learn a new skill. Maybe you need to subscribe for a course. Maybe you need to join a book club or even meal prep to save money. Whatever that is, commit to doing it for yourself this week. I hope this video reminds you that self-love isn't about just what you say to yourself, but what you do for yourself and your finances. So let me know in the comments below one way you're showing yourself financial love this month. And I'm sure if you enjoyed this video, you're going to enjoy this one right here. So remember to like, share, and subscribe for more financial and self-development videos. Bye.